Hello everyone and welcome to Math Corner. In this video, we will learn how to determine the measures of central tendency of ungrouped data. Let us begin. The three main measures of central tendency are mean, median, and mode. Mean is the sum of all the given values divided by the total number of values. Median is the middle value in an ordered set. Mode is the most frequent value in a dataset. Let us have some examples. Example number 1, let us consider J's grades for the first grading period. Let us determine the mean, median, and mode. To find the mean, divide the sum of the grades by the total number of grades. The sum of the grades is equal to 712. Since the total number of grades is equal to 8, we have 712 divided by 8, which is equal to 89. The mean is 89. To find the median, we need to arrange the dataset in ascending or descending order. In ascending order, we have 86, 88, 88, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. For even number of values, the median is the average of the two middle numbers. For odd number of values, the median is the middle number in the ordered dataset. Since there are 8 values in this example, which is an even number, take the average of the two middle numbers. The two middle numbers are 88 and 89. To find the average, 88 plus 89 divided by 2 equals 88.5. The median is 88.5. To find the mode, we just need to check the most frequent value in the given dataset. The mode is 88. Example number 2, determine the mean, median, and mode of the following values. Let us find the mean. The sum is equal to 98, so we have 98 divided by 7, and this is equal to 14. The mean is 14. The data is already arranged in ascending order, and there are 7 values, which is an odd number. Since the middle number is 14, the median is equal to 14. Next, the most frequent value in the given dataset is 12. It means that the mode is equal to 12. And that is how to determine the measures of central tendency of ungrouped data. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.